What's up, traders? I hope you're all doing well. Before I start my natural gas and oil analysis, I just want to show you this trade I took last week, and this trade got onto my nerve. And this is also an example of psychological side of the trading, because trading psychology plays a major role in our trading. If you have control on your emotions, then your chances of being profitable become significant. I share this example with you, what happened with me when I was in trade and what was my emotions at that time. It will also help you. It might give you a boost when you are in your trade and when you are scared of being in the trade and scared of being stopped out. I know lots of you guys must have experienced this sort of thing. Let's go back in replay mode and let me show you when I took this trade. Right, so I took this trade here. It was like 104 pips trade, something around that. So I took this trade, I entered this trade here, and let's see what happened with me. So it got down, got up, and yes, it started going against me. Then it moved up, and at that time you must be like, oh my god, we're gonna stop out soon. No, the thing I just want to tell you guys, when I entered this trade, I made up my mind. I accepted this loss. I knew that if I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose 109 pips. But if you have your risk management there, if you know when you're getting out, if your lot size is decent, then trust me guys, you won't get panic. So when you enter the trade, accept the loss first. So let's start what happened next. Here you see, bit of relief. So right here, when the market reaches here, so most of you, I bet most of you must be like, oh my god, this trade got really hectic. It was going up and down. Let's get out of this trade when it gets break even. And most of you, even me when I was trading, when I was new on trading, would have got out from this trade when the market hit this break even level. I say, okay, let's get rid of this trade. It's gonna end up hitting our stop loss. But remember guys, we accepted our loss before we entered this trade. So let's say right here, market hit our zone, and here was a big test for us. You see, the market almost stopped us out. It was only a pip away, just reversed all the way into our zone. So this was a time, when you get panic and say, oh no, we're gonna stop out, we're gonna stop out. No. So my advice is, when you enter a trade, do not look at it again and again, again and again. Just leave that trade on and let the trade run. You see, market came back, got up, came back, got up, and still up. You see, after a couple of days, hours, you see market start coming into our zone, and you see market ended up moving all the way down, still going down before it get into overbought situation. And you see, this trade gave us 104 pips of profit, and if you would have managed this trade, it got down till, from this level, it got down 270 pips. That was some badass pips, guys. That was an example I want to share with you guys. I'm sure you guys must have experienced this sort of thing as well. So just to teach you a psychological factor, make sure when you take a trade, do not just get panicked. So this was a trade I didn't send in the group. It was one more trade I sent in the group. Let me show you that as well. Quick one, won't be long. Right, so if you remember this trade I've also sent in my Telegram channel. We entered here. We took this double top entry, and you see the market tested our patience, got down, got up. At this point, we were about to hit our take profit, but this is the most frustrating time when the market just reverses when it is almost near to our TP. So that is the time, when the market tested your patience. But when you have your condition met, accepted your loss or profit, then you don't have to worry about these small things. What market was about to hit our TP and reversed. So let's see what happened next. It got up, and at that time we would be like, oh my god, just we would have just exited our trade here, would have just avoided the loss. At that time, you guys, most of you guys must have exit the trade at this point. But you see what happened next. You see market ended up falling all the way down. If you manage this trade properly, if you had two positions open, you could have taken this trade all the way down to this zone, and 149 pips you would have got. So you see the market gave us some nice badass pips. So this is the trade I am in now. I'm just taking the reversal trade from this zone. So just want to share with you guys. I hope it helps you in your trading as well. This is a very important part of your trading. This video got bit longer than expected, but I want you to learn as well. Since you guys follow me, I want you to become profitable. As promised, let's quickly start with natural gas. Right, so natural gas target has been hit. I have sent this trade in the priority list as well with the stops and target. You see the natural gas is now still moving up, and my bias for natural gas is still bullish. I still believe the natural gas is going to break up the 20 EMA, which currently 3.829, bit of consolidation, and then eventually move up to 4.102. So I'm still seeing the market to get to this level and get we might get another nice pullback entry from this zone. As I teach you guys, my bias is still bullish. So once we get another entry, I'll enter the trade here and I'll update you guys accordingly. Not taking any short entries for now. Once we have a condition for sell entries, I'll update you guys accordingly. Let's quickly check oil. Right, so oil is moving exactly the way I have predicted. We break and close, took an entry here, moved up, $3 trades. Now we are waiting for the oil to break and close above 72.48, which it have now. So sorry. So once the market, the oil move up, move down, pull back, and give us an entry reason from here, I'm still seeing the oil to hit the zone, the same zone I've marked in the previous video, 74.98, 76.05, from where I'll look for double bottom, double top sort of entry or an engulfer entry back to the next level. Or if it breaks above this zone, I'll look for buy entry. So that's a quick one on oil as well. Any questions, send me a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.